Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Anywho, what am I even on here to talk about? Ramadan. Ramadan is approaching very quickly, and I just wanted to give some suggestions on keeping busy during this time, since we're all going to be at home. We're not going to be back and forth between a masjid and home and work. I know me, I love Ramadan, and I stick to a pretty strict schedule during the month of Ramadan. I'm not working right now. I mean, I haven't worked since last year. However, when I was working during Ramadan, I'd, of course, get up for suhoor, then pray fajr, go to work, and then, just keep busy during the day. By the time you come home, prepare food, eat iftar, then I'd have my coffee and go to the masjid for Taraweeh prayers and come home. What is that, like 1 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock in the morning, and then do it all again. And especially during the last nights of Ramadan, when you're going to the masjid for Qiyam, you're staying overnight for itikaf, and it's just a busy time. So some things that you could do to stay busy, for instance, I learned how to read and write Arabic. This was like 3 years ago. However, last Ramadan, I picked my lessons back up with my tutor, and so we would meet twice a week, and I learned Arabi. And here, I suggest, I know it's backwards on this camera because how I have my camera laid out, but it's a book called Read and Rise. Read and Rise. Okay, and there is a pen called the Kitab. So this is for anyone who...
Welcome to Kitab.
All right, so this is a really great resource for anyone who cannot spend the time for a tutor, or if you just want to learn on your own, or if you want to supplement this with your lessons. Me and my tutor, we use this book kind of as a guideline for a part of our lessons. My tutor suggested it, so I went ahead and got it. And it's cost about, maybe closer to the $100 range, honestly, I'm not gonna lie, but it's worth it. So you take the pen and you hover it over your letters.
Jim, Fa, Ta, Ba.
Okay, so it pronounces the letters for you, all right? And of course you can listen and repeat until you know what you're saying. So this book also goes through like practice sessions. I should have recorded this the other way. Practice sessions, they have words, so you can go ahead and practice letter combinations.
ثقل, سبل, يقع, قضي.
All right. And yeah, you can go ahead and teach yourself Arabic that way. We did not finish the book. However, I intend to go through and finish the rest of this book, inshallah, during Ramadan. I've written in here. We did a, speaking portion, but we used a different book for that. I can't remember which book that was. Anywho, so I think this will be a great resource for everyone. Oh, let me see if I could, let's see.
تلك الدار الآخرة نجعلها للذين لا يريدون علوا في الأرض ولا فسادا والعاقبة للمتقين.
Okay, so see, it pronounces and reads out the whole ayah for you as well. So again, I think this is an absolutely great reference if you want to go ahead and purchase this, check this out, and use it to focus on during Ramadan and work on your Arabic if you don't know it already. What's this another thing? Like I talked about, this is a chance for us to pray a lot more. This is a chance for us to memorize Quran. You could do that through listening to surahs on YouTube if you don't know Arabic, if you can't read and write. You could, those of you who do know, go ahead and just memorize some more Arabic, you know. I also think this is a great time to, what else could you do? Learn new recipes. Again, people are staying at home. A lot of people have the chance and the time to cook or learn to cook, you know, basic life skills. So go ahead and check out some new recipes. Maybe switch it up from what you're used to, you know, or if you don't know how to cook, learn how to do that. So that's like, you know, those are some things that you can do during this Ramadan while you're at home during the day. But my main focus, I think, is learning the Arabic, reading and writing, memorizing surahs. Okay. All right. What else? I think that's all I have for now. If anyone has any suggestions, please let me know. Anybody has suggestions, please let me know. And I will be happy to share and facilitate that. All right, I'll talk to you later. Thank you for watching. Bye.